Hello student, welcome back in Krishna classes. Today's topic is formulae and structure of saturated compound of hydrogen and carbon. This is the today's topic. This topic has related to the chapter 4 of the class 10th. The name of the chapter is carbon and its compound. So what is the carbon and its compound? I described in my previous video all previous topics, saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons also. So for the knowledge of previous videos, you have to watch Krishna classes, which is available on YouTube. My all classes are free from my all student. So for the knowledge of chapter 1 and 2 and 3 also, you have to watch my channel Krishna classes. On my channel, every topics described in very detail by me. So for the all topics chapter 1, 2, 3, you have to subscribe my channel Krishna classes. Let's start the today's topic. Today's topic is formulae and structure of saturated compound of hydrogen and carbon. This is the today's topic. So what is the saturated compounds? As I discussed in my previous video, what is the saturated compound? Such type of hydrocarbons. What is the hydrocarbons? The such type of compound which is made from hydrogen and carbon, that is called the hydrocarbon. So what is the saturated compound? When any hydrocarbon compound is when any hydrocarbon compound have only single bond, that is called the saturated compound. Example, as I discussed in my previous video, alkane. What is the alkane? In alkane series, all compounds contain only single bond. As I discussed in my previous video, example of methane. Okay, so let's start the today's topic. Example of methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane. So these are the example of alkane series. They contain only single bond. So what is the saturated compound? Such type of compound contain which type of compound? Carbon and hydrogen. It means hydrocarbon compound. Hydrocarbon compound contain only single bond. Okay, so what is the formulae and structure of saturated compound? Let's start. The first is the methane. Formula of methane is when number of carbon is 1, that is called the methane, CH4. This is the methane. Write here first carbon, and carbon has 4 valency, then connect all bond with hydrogen. So this is also the saturated hydrocarbon because here single bond only present. Now next is the ethane. What is the formula of ethane? Just increasing the number of carbon atom. Here 1 carbon, here 2 carbon. Then hydrogen is also C2H6. Okay, so what is the structure of this compound? Carbon connected with single bond and all valencies is connected with hydrogen. So this is the C2H6. Now come on the propane. What is the formula of propane? Increasing number of carbon atoms, C3, and hydrogen also in the ratio of 2, C3H8. Then what happened here? 3 carbon is connected with single bond and all valency is connected with hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the propane. Just like propane, also butane, C4H10. So here you have to write butane also. Butane. Formula is C4H10. Write all carbon with single bond 1, 2, 3, 4 and all valency connected with hydrogen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the structure of butane. So all are the formulae and structure of saturated compound. They all are the saturated because they all are contain the only single bond. What is the formula? CH4, and this is the structural formula. What is the ethane formula? C2H6, and this is the structural formula. What is the formula of propane? C3H8, and this is also the structural formula of propane. And what is the formula of butane? C4H10, and this is also the structure of butane. So all are the saturated compound of hydrogen and carbon. There only hydrogen and carbon is present in this compound, that is called the hydrocarbon compound. So this is the formula and structure of saturated hydrocarbons. Here structure, here structure, sorry, here structure and here formulae. These are the formulae. So one thing more, these are belong to the alkane series. These are belong to the alkane. Hydrocarbons is divided into alkane. These are the alkane series. Here I am writing alkane. These are belong to the alkane series. Alkane series. So these are the alkane series. What is the formula of common formula of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. This is the formula of alkane. Here n is equal to number of carbon atom. N is equal to number of carbon atom. So all saturated compounds are the alkane. Alkane, you can also say alkane series compounds are the saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, and the formula of general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2 and n is equal to number of carbon atom. So let's put this formula on these compounds. Let's check Cn. C is equal to 1. H2n. H is equal to C. If C is equal to n 1, then H is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2, 4. Okay. So this is the CH4. Satisfy this formula, alkane formula. Now come on this. C is equal to 2. Then C2. H2n plus 2. 2 2 ja 4 plus 2, 6. Also satisfy. C3H8. C is equal to 3. 3 2 H is equal to 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, 8. Also satisfy this formula. C4H10. N is equal to 4. C4. H is equal to 2 into 4. 2 4 ja 8 plus 2, 10. So also satisfy this general formula of the alkane. So all alkanes are the saturated compound, or you can say all saturated compounds are the alkane. So this is the today's class, formulae and structure of saturated compound of hydrogen and carbon. Some example have given here like methane, ethane, propane, butane, methane CH4, ethane C2H6, propane C3H8, butane C4H10 and general formula of alkane series. These compound belong to the alkane series. Which compound are containing single bond belong to the alkane series and also saturated compounds. And the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand this topic in very detail and very well. My name is Survi. Thank you so much for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Krishna Classes and connect with me for the continuous video of your classes. So thank you so much for the watching. Thank you.